So I was just bored and I'm like, you know what? Why don't I make a video on the tier list of online gurus? So I'm sure you guys seen some of these videos on iDubbbz's channel or other people's channel, and I'm gonna do it on online gurus because I've been watching them for half a year, more than a half, sorry, 1.5 year. So I kind of have an experience on watching people and who to listen to and who to don't. So if you're a beginner, maybe this can help you guys out, knowing who are worthy to watch and who are not, in my opinion, obviously. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I'm gonna list them in terms of their value of their content as well as their personality, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go by order. So Kevin David. So I don't watch a lot of videos on this guy. There are some good videos, but I do know that he faked some stuff like a fake Rolex and everything like that. That was fake. Um, I would give him a C. He's neutral. He's not that bad, but he's not that good either. Like his content is average. Most of his content is just basic stuff, but some of it is valuable, such as his Facebook ad guide or something like that. Then we got Grant Cardone, Uncle G. So Uncle G, I love this guy. I mean, you can't hate him. He's pretty fun. Like he's super advanced since he has his own business. He's not selling you anything for the most part. Like he does have online courses, but his main business is offline, and he doesn't monetize his audience that much. And his content is a lot valuable because he is like old and he has a lot of wisdom, and he makes a lot of money. Owns a private jet, so he is legit. Um, I'll put him in B because his content, even though it's really good, it's not like actionable. Most of it is just like psychological, which is obviously really needed. But if you want, for me, the tier A list is the person's gonna make you rich, the person like you gotta listen to if you want to change your life. So yeah, Uncle G is really close to A because he does help you change your life, your mindset. But yeah. Then we got Gary V. Gary V, another guy who spits facts, and most people love him. So a lot of people hate him too because I don't know, because of his swearing or something like that. His personality can be strong, but I'll give him B again because he does spit facts. He tells you about like being happiness and how money's not everything. A lot of things I agree with. The only thing I don't agree with like is what is it? Him telling you to work like 80 hours a week, which is unhealthy, and it's also demotivating. I can get into it in another video, but hustle is not the only answer. Like he always says hustle, 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 but you gotta have other things too. So yeah, maybe I'll get into it in another video. I don't want people to take this the wrong way, but again, he's a really good guy, and yeah, I'll put him at B. Then we got Tanner Fox. This is the guy who changed my life in a sense because this is the first online video I watched where he talks about how I do Amazon FBA and I became a millionaire using that, and that changed my life because that seeing that video is what got me into online businesses, from going to Amazon FBA to Shopify. So that video started all, so I gotta credit it to him. However, coming back to his videos after a while, you realize that none of his videos were really helpful. Like I don't see any of his videos that were like value based or you get any um value from it. For example, when I was searching for Amazon FBA, I didn't watch a single video of his because they weren't really that valuable. Or so yeah, and I guess I'll give him a C because his content's average, nothing special. His personality, he is a humble guy. I mean, he's a some of his videos are nice, so yeah, I need to change my life, so I gotta give him a C neutral. Then we got Dave Ramsey, another big YouTuber. He doesn't really sell you anything, he's just a finance guy. Dave, I gotta give him a C. It's a hard battle between B and C because most actually be a B. But the only thing I don't agree with is his opinion on debt and credit card. Like he just says don't have it at all. Even there's no such thing as good dad or bad dad, which is bad advice. I think he's giving advice to the majority of people who are stupid with money because like most people don't know how to handle finances and they just go in debt. So he just decided, you know what, let's just cut off credit cards and that thing. So I wouldn't listen to him too much if you are a smart entrepreneur who can leverage their money using debt or using credit card points to travel for free, so stuff like that. But his finance advice is pretty good. Like other than that, other than the debt related issues, he does a good job in explaining you the finances and budgeting. So I'll give him a B. Hayden Bowles, complete trash, E for sure. Personality wise and his content wise, like if you guys want to learn more, I have a video of my experience with Hayden balls. You can see why I don't like his personality. He's egotistical. Well, this is my just experience from what I know, and his content, I've seen it. Like when I got into Shopify, he was the first person I found out about. And again, his content is zero value because he's selling a course, so most of his is just general advice, like top five things. I don't know, not top five. I don't know, some random advice, like not actionable. Not He doesn't show you how to do Facebook ads or how to set up a store. Nothing practical. Just basic advice to get you interested in Shopify, so then you can watch his webinar and get his course. So his content is absolutely useless in my opinion. I mean, it's just basic stuff. So yeah. Then we got Gabriel, of course. A You gotta watch this guy. His name is Gabriel Saint Germain. If I'm okay, I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but you can just search him up. Amazing guy. This is the type of guy you want to listen to if you're getting into online business, especially Shopify. This guy teaches you literally everything. This is how videos should be. They're actionable. They're like in presented in a presented in a well-formed manner, and you learn a lot from his videos. And he's legit. You can see his Shopify sales. Yeah, I forgot to mention, Hayden never shows his Shopify sales. Like how much does he make from Shopify versus on his course and everything. I've never seen any of his videos where he show, okay, that's the numbers I'm doing. But yes, Gabriel, he's a legit guy. He's made millions on Shopify. So this is the type of guy you want to be learning from. The guy who makes a lot of his money from Shopify. And yeah, he has videos on how he made 100K in 25 days, and he shows you exactly how he did it. And you can basically watch that video, just that one video, and you can jump into Shopify. And yeah, you can do the same. Like nothing's stopping you. So this guy is absolutely legit. Like his content was eye-opening. It's basically like what people do in courses, but he does it for free. And I believe he does have a case study, which is a course in a sense. But that's just a case study against. It's really advanced. But you can just watch his content and get all the value you need to become a Shopify dropshipper, I guess, and you can make millions. So this guy is amazing. I love him, and he's a humble guy. He doesn't brag. He doesn't have a car or anything like that. He doesn't show off anything. So love this guy. Sam Owens. Most people hate him. I love this guy. I would put him in A, but I don't know why. I just don't watch him a lot. I don't know why. I should be watching him. So if I was watching him a lot, I can tell you more and put him in A. But definitely B, because whatever videos I've seen, they're super advanced. This guy makes like $20 million a year, so he knows what he's talking about, and he can teach you a lot. And he's on his route. He's on his way to become a billionaire. At least that's what his goal is. So whatever he does is geared towards becoming a billionaire. That's why it's super advanced. Like just watch one of his videos, your mind gets opened a lot. Like he doesn't give you practical advice such as like practical as in oh how to start a store or anything like that, but psychologically he helps you a lot on how to work and how to declutter your life and everything like that. It's amazing. Just watch him and you'll know what I'm talking about. His content's truly unique. Like I haven't seen it anywhere except for one guy, and I'll get into him. Okay, Tanner Plains, again, he's one of those bigger Shopify drop shippers, and I know he has a course. That's where he makes most of his money, so that's why he wants to don't not disclose all of the information. Again, I don't have a problem with people selling courses, but at the same time, as us as a consumer, there's no point in watching those YouTubers who sell a course because most of their information is on their course, so they're not gonna give you like real practical advice such as Gabriel to help you with your Shopify. So, but I have seen some of his videos. Like his personality is good. His content is not that good, so that's why I'm gonna put him at D. Just because of his personality, but his content is just like Hayden's, not really useful, and it just goes on for a long time, like 10 minutes more than that. Um, Alex Becker, 100% A. I watch this guy's every video. He's a little bit too strong, like he seems kind of pissed off every time, but I know he's not. But yeah, he's like kind of like Gary B, but at the same time he spits back and everything he says makes sense. And again, he's just like Sam Owens. He makes like I believe $12 million, 200,000 a week. So he makes a lot of money, and he doesn't do make money through courses. He is an online marketer, but his program is something else. He makes a software called Market Hero. So yeah, he makes a lot of money. gives you a lot of value. Again, nothing practical. Well, some of his videos are practical, but most of them are super advanced. Him and Sam Owens are like high-end millionaires who are teaching us on how to become like them, and yeah, how to work and stuff like that. Just watch his videos. I don't know how to explain it. They're just super advanced, and yeah. So 100% he'll be an A. Unfortunately, he doesn't upload a lot, but whenever he does, it's a good video. So yeah. Dan Locke. Dan Locke, most of you guys know him. He's a big, he's just like Grant Cardone and Gary Vee. Um, I don't watch most of his videos. I just follow him on Instagram, and I've seen his TED Talk, which is pretty good. But he hasn't really made his money through businesses. He just uses his personal brand to make money. He's worth, I believe, $70 million, and yeah, he never showed how he made his money. He just, I believe, he just sells high-ticket items such as his courses. So that's why I gotta give him C because he doesn't really have a real business, and he mostly monetizes his content. But and I don't watch him a lot, but the videos I've seen are pretty good, like as his TED Talk and everything like that. But again, it's just basic stuff, not really that helpful, but yeah, some of it could be helpful. Ty Lopez, most people in the like general world hate him. Online community likes him. Yeah, that's what I've noticed. Like I used to hate him, but then I started liking him, and a lot of his stuff makes sense, especially his seven ways to rewire your brain. He has a speech on impact theory. Go watch it. It's pretty good. Uh, would I give him a B or C? I give him a B. I mean, he's a really smart guy. He did monetize most of his content, just like Dan Locke, but I watch him more, so I know more of his content, and some of his stuff is really good. So yeah. And Graham Stephan, easily A. Again, he's talked about general finances, budgeting, credit card. His personality is also really nice. He doesn't spend money on anything. He doesn't show off. Yeah, easy A. He sells two courses, but they're about real estate and YouTube, so nothing to be worried about. Most of his content is really useful, and I believe he's the first guy who I started watching, just in general business videos. So I've been following him since 7,000 subscribers. Now he has like 800,000. Yeah, I love this guy. Just any of his videos are pretty entertaining. So yeah, Jet Set Fly. If you guys know him, it's an easy A. This guy just scammed a lot of people, and I didn't really like him even before he scammed people. He just sells stuff. He didn't make his money through businesses, and then he just made his money through scams. So I don't know who would like him. If you want to know more, just search him up, and you'll know what type of scams he did. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much my tier list. Hopefully, you guys liked it. I know a lot of people have different opinions, so let me know what you guys think of any of these people. Like, how would you reorder this? Obviously, everyone has their opinion. This is just my experience and what I've watched. So yeah, you guys can tell me more about these people, or if you think, oh, maybe Hayden should be in D and not E. I don't know why, but maybe you do want them to be higher up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know your thoughts on this tier list. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm out. Peace.